Hi guys, I'm back and we're playing this game called Bluebirds of Happiness. New game. We are offering hey, no thanks. Ooh, the festival is so fun, brother. Look, look at that bird. I want that bird. No, that one is not for sale. Why not pick another? But I want that bird. Oh, right. We don't have much money anyway. Come back when you have more money. Okay. Actually, can you go first? I'll catch up on with you in a minute. Hey, can you please give me a bird? The bird, I really want it. Forget it. That one is not for a sale. I'm sorry, but I have errand to do. Boy, just forget about it. Ooh. Okay, he's doing it. Hey, did you hear about the news? What news? Our girl is missing. She was last seen at this festival yesterday. Oh no, I hope she will be fine. Oh, so we're the brother. Let's see. Let's move. What's this? My cool cars. Okay. My brother's draws cats and birds. The window is best keep closed. We look so happy. My brother is sleeping. She looks like very happy. Oh, what's this? What time is it? O'clock is 10 p.m. already. So we need to sleep. How? Let's just sleep. Oh, turn off the lights. That? Oh, there it is. Now sleep. Oh, the bird's eyes just become red. That's scary. Whoa. Let's see. Okay. So this is a mystery game. I don't know that. Oh, that's a bluebird. And that's us, I think. Oh. I've come from a weird place. Be careful when you play with water. Oh, okay. Oh, we can move now. Whoa. Now. The ponies appear to be very... Hello. Fishing is great. I'm running out of fishing bait. Would you mind bringing me some more? Okay. Here, mushroom. Let's go. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean it. Here. A worm should be able to found around here. So let's see. Oh, the rock. Wow. You have a worm. You capture a worm. That's kind of disgusting. Did you have a worm? Can you show me it? There it is. A worm. Are you going to give me to? Yes. Oh, thank you. Now I can continue fishing. It's a small gift for me. I don't know why I have this, but look, this is a cool toy. Why did you try out? Oh, phone. You got a cell phone. Whoa, check. This is the first hint, sir. That scared me a lot. As this is your first time calling us, we are going to give you... You have a free hint. This is a dream world. You should be able to find your brother somewhere. a burden after this call to progress the story. Thanks for using our hint serve. See you again. Hey, I don't wanna. Okay. So talk. Birdhead. Your name was Birdhead? Did you enjoy playing with a toy? I don't think so. Actually, I'm a bit thirsty now. Then get water! Do you mind bringing water? Okay. Okay. Get the water empty. They're just here. There's a... Oh, okay. So I guess we can go now here. We can now go here. Oh yeah, look at this. This is stone. What is this? This is stone. What's that? A whole ground. Everything is living inside. A cricket is crimping. Okay, let's find the way. Ooh, that's that. Oh, what's this? Knock knock. Oh, firewood. What's this? Web. I got spider net. I have a lot of things. I found a branch. This is a new hunter. Let's us explain to you the combined system. Sometimes you can combine two items. Select an item you want to combine while everything the item detail. Like this. Oh, the plap. Yay! Okay. I think this is a well. Looks like clean water. What's this? I guess there. You fill the bottle with water. But you need to make more of it. Oh. Knock knock. Oh, the door's locked. Light is falling on the ground. It's so pretty bright. Okay, let's continue the play, okay? I think I know what to do. Cricket! You got the cricket. Wow, what I'm doing in the cricket. What should I do in the cricket? Give it to him! You're thirsty, huh? Then I'll give this to you. Eat this cricket instead. Okay, let's give him the water. Thanks for giving me the water. This is good. Oh, something is there. Something is there. Where? Cute frog. I have a cricket, froggy. Ah, it took my key. Oh no, this is bad. Can you help me get my key back? Then swim. You can fly, birdie. Just get the... Okay, then I have the cricket. Let go. You let go the cricket. Yay, there she is. Now give me the key. Yeah, you got the key. I got a key, buddy. Hey, buddy, surprise you. I got a key. Thanks for getting me the key. You're welcome. Come to my place. Have some juice. Ooh. Ooh. How can I follow you? I think that house. Let's go for the house. I think it is. It is. Oh, it is. Okay. Hello, sir. Why I can't move? Oh, because it's... Oh, welcome. Please have a seat. How do you enter here? While flying. Why did you drink that juice? I don't want to drink. I'm scared. You must drink it. If not, Birdhead looks serious. Let's just drink it. She's scary. It tastes very sweet, like apple juice. Very good, right? You like it? Good. I'm tired. Let me sleep a bit. Feel free to use the item in the room if you want. Guys, out of time. Bye-bye.